Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be making some steamed snapper fillets. You're gonna need some moscato, some water. Basically I just have my ingredients laid out. You're gonna need spicy girl, which is my spice. Make sure you have tomatoes. These are the tomatoes I have, but use the tomatoes you prefer. You're gonna need onions, peppers, and thyme, and of course the snapper fillets. And this recipe is just so easy. I got the snapper fillets from the supermarket, Fiesta, and they were only combined, they were $11 and something. So first I'm gonna season both sides of my snapper with spicy girl. The only spice we're gonna use today is spicy girl because that's all you're gonna need. You want to just, spread the seasoning over it however you feel and please. And just look at that. Look at my spice, y'all. Y'all playing y'all stuff if y'all not getting my spice out here. Okay? Join the dream team. In this big old skillet, you're going to add some butter and a little bit of oil of your choice. Add your peppers, onions, and tomatoes. Don't leave the tomatoes out because that's what's going to give you the body for your sauce. That's the body of your whole entire sauce. You can even leave the peppers out, but you need to have tomatoes. Whatever tomatoes you have on hand or prefer. Look how beautiful this is already. It's only been sauteing up together for about 2 minutes. What's going to happen is the tomatoes are going to break completely down and it's going to create like a sauce. And that's how we're going to build from there. So I'm going to season this up with Spicy Girl, of course, and some salt. Remember, Spicy Girl is low in sodium, so I added a little bit of salt just to help the vegetables out, as well as add half of your lime juice. It's about 2 tablespoons. Add it right down in there, saute and cook it down. So next you're going to add your moscato down in here. This is just a basic $7 moscato I got from Walmart. And you're going to allow this to reduce by half. Remember, all my measurement ingredients will be in my description box. So let this simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes just to reduce a tad. I just wanted to show y'all the broth so far. Y'all, look at this. Look at my spice down in this tomato, wine, and just butter, pepper, onion mix, whatever you want to call it. Look how beautiful it is. And this is all just from the tomatoes. I didn't add anything else to this. So I'm just going to let this keep simmering for about another minute and then we're going to move on. Next, I'm going to add about a half a cup of water. Yes, the water is needed. We did add that wine. You want to balance that out. You don't need anything else. The tomatoes are nice and sweet. I'm not adding any sugar to this. And you want to saute this down just like this. Next, you're going to also add the other half of your lime. This was a juicy lime. So I'm going to say it's about maybe 4 tablespoons of lime juice down in here. And use fresh, y'all. Please use fresh. So I'll move the peppers over to the side just a bit so I could get the fish down in there just like this. It'll be easier, I should say, because as you can see, the other side got right on top of the peppers, but as you can see, it's easier for me to scoop it up. So you want to scoop it up, then we're going to cover it and simmer it. First of all, look, I can't. I cook for real. I cook for real, and that's just that. I cook for real. Okay? In case you're wondering. I'm about to show y'all this broth. My mouth is watering. This is healthy. We didn't put anything crazy in here. Okay, I added a tablespoon of butter, but okay, we didn't put nothing crazy in here. And look at this. Alright, let me show y'all this broth. Look how rich. Look how rich this broth is. It's not gravy. It's not supposed to be gravy. It's broth. Look how rich. Do you know how this is gonna taste sopped up with some rice or bread? Alright, y'all. It's gonna take a little piece. Oh, look at Y'all, it's crazy because every time I say this, I wish I made this on my actual camera. But some days I'll be so busy, y'all. I'll be running and ripping. And some of these recipes are so impromptu. They're never planned, you know? They're never planned. Look. I'm gonna try to catch. Look at this broth. Look at this. Woo! Okay, y'all. Let's stop playing games. Woo!
First of all, Jesus is real.
That's number one. Jesus is definitely real. Second of all, this fish is good as hell. It's so moist and like, seriously, I ain't even meant to, yo. My spices are so good, y'all. My spices are amazing and y'all need to give them a try. And I'm being dead serious. If you follow me on social media, you will see the people I posted that cooked with it and they're obsessed. So, hope you guys enjoyed this recipe and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye guys.